SpaceX is an innovative and ambitious private aerospace manufacturer founded by Elon Musk in 2002. SpaceX has delivered 48 orbiting satellites and 22,700 pounds of supplies to the International Space Station and now has more than 60% of the world's commercial launch contracts. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The sky is not the limit for SpaceX. And as we all know, the SpaceX is really a way ahead if we compare it with other organizations of this type. SpaceX is so innovative in their technology, and in today's video we are going to dig deep in this topic. Well, what makes SpaceX a game changer in advanced space exploration? Everything will be discussed in this video, so watch it to the end. But before we start, please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so let's begin. The Space Exploration Technology Company was founded by Elon Musk in 2002 and is better known as SpaceX. It aims to change the cost of space exploration and achieve the goal of creating interstellar generations of humanity. SpaceX's energetic and talented engineers are on a mission: manufacture the most innovative reusable spacecraft at the forefront of technology. Let us have a quick look at its technologies and innovations in their technology. SpaceX spacecraft advancement. Falcon 9, Falcon Heavy, and Dragon are the leading space vehicle designs that position SpaceX as a company that provides distinctive and innovative technologies. Falcon 9 has taken the Dragon to the International Space Station for a supply mission. It took 2 days. After completion, NASA promised to end Russia's dependence on bringing astronauts to the International Space Station by 2017. The technological capabilities of SpaceX. Falcon 91.0 has been retired and used in the updated Falcon 91.1. It is bigger, taller, and has an Octaweb engine consisting of 9 rockets. There may be up to 2 missile rockets, and the mission will continue. For more specific and correct orbit insertion, Falcon Heavy can carry a larger payload, which will save money by being able to handle more than one satellite. Could the future be in reusable space technology? Elon Musk has set a goal of reducing the cost of launch vehicle payloads by millions of dollars and is focused on high-tech innovation to save and reuse every stage of vehicle deployment. Every trip will be more affordable than ever. When NASA handed over the keys to private companies, there were many doubts about the progress of space exploration. SpaceX is proven that by using private companies, it can be cheaper and faster. Technology and innovation knowledge. Now let me tell you about some of these technologies in detail. The Falcon 9 is a reusable 2-stage rocket designed and manufactured by SpaceX to reliably and safely transport personnel and payloads to Earth orbit and beyond. Falcon 9 is the world's first reusable orbital class rocket. Reuse allows SpaceX to replace the most expensive parts of the rocket, thereby reducing the cost of entering space. The first stage of Falcon 9 contains 9 Merlin engines and lithium aluminum alloy tanks filled with liquid oxygen and rocket-grade kerosene propellant. The Falcon 9 generates more than 1.7 million pounds of thrust at sea level. The second stage is powered by a single Merlin vacuum engine to send the Falcon 9 payload to the required orbit. The second stage motor starts a few seconds after the stage is separated and can be restarted multiple times to place multiple payloads on different tracks. The Interstage is a composite structure that connects the first and second stages and is equipped with aerodynamic thrusters to separate the first and second stages during flight. Falcon 9 is equipped with 4 hypersonic grid fins located at the bottom of the compartment. They locate the rocket during re-entry by moving the center of pressure. The fairing is made of carbon composite material to protect the satellite from entering orbit. The fairing was discarded after about 3 minutes of flight, and SpaceX continued to retrieve the fairing for reuse in future missions. After Falcon 9, let's talk about Falcon Heavy. The Falcon Heavy is twice the most powerful launch vehicle in the world. Falcon Heavy can put nearly 64 metric tons of heavy objects into orbit, and its payload is more than twice that of the next closest vehicle, Delta IV Heavy. Falcon Heavy is composed of 3 cores of 9 Falcon 9 engines, of which 27 Merlin engines can generate more than 5 million pounds of thrust during takeoff. That's a rough equivalent to 18 747 aircrafts. The 3 cores constitute the first stage of the Falcon Heavy rocket. The horizontal core, or drive, is connected with the nose, the interstage, and the octagonal net. Soon after takeoff, the CNNC engine slowed down. Once the side cores are separated, the motor in the central core will accelerate to full power. The Falcon Heavy Interstage is a composite structure that connects the central core of the first and second stages and supports the release and separation system. Falcon Heavy is equipped with 12 hypersonic grid fins, 4 on each gusset, located at the bottom of the Interstage or nose cone, and are oriented by moving the center of pressure during re-entry. Falcon Heavy is based on the proven Falcon 9 design, which minimizes stage separation events and maximizes reliability. After the main engine is turned off and the core of the first stage is separated, the second stage Merlin vacuum engine sends the rocket's payload into orbit. After Falcon Heavy, let me talk about Dragon and technology associated with it. The Dragon spacecraft can carry up to 7 passengers to and from Earth's orbit and other places. It is currently the only spacecraft capable of returning a large amount of cargo to Earth, and is also the first private spacecraft to send humans to the space station. The Dragon's trunk can not only carry cargo without stress, but also support the spacecraft during its ascent. Half of the trunk is covered with solar panels to provide power for the Dragon during the flight and at the station. The trunk remained attached to the Dragon until shortly before it re-entered the Earth's atmosphere. The Dragon capsule, also known as a pressurized capsule, can transport people and environmentally sensitive cargo. The Dragon is equipped with Draco thrusters, allowing it to maneuver in orbit, and 8 Super Dracos to power the spacecraft's launch exhaust system. Well, what is Starship's SN-15 to SpaceX? On Wednesday, May 5th, Starship number 15, SN-15, successfully completed SpaceX's 5th high-altitude flight test of the spacecraft prototype from the Texas Interstellar Base. Before the vehicle reaches the apogee, each engine is turned off in turn at an altitude of approximately 10 kilometers. The SN-15 transitioned from a thruster to an internal water collection tank, which contained the landing thruster and was then reoriented for re-entry and controlled aerodynamic descent. The Starship prototype descends until active aerodynamic control, which is achieved by the independent movement of the 2 front and 2 rear fins on the vehicle. All 4 flaps are activated by the onboard flight computer to control the altitude of the Starship during flight and allow precise landing at a predetermined position. The Raptor engine of the SN-15 reopened during a landing rollover maneuver immediately before landing to perform a nominal landing on the platform. These Starship test flights are designed to enhance our understanding and development of a fully reusable transportation system designed to transport crews and cargo during long interstellar flights, and to help humans return to the Moon and to Mars and other places. Congratulations to the entire SpaceX team on SN-15's successful flight and landing. The Starship spacecraft and SpaceX Super Heavy rockets, collectively called Starship, represent a fully reusable transportation system designed to transport crews and cargo to Earth orbit, the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Starship will be the most powerful launch vehicle in the history of the world, capable of sending more than 100 metric tons into Earth orbit. Starship is a fully reusable spacecraft, and it is also the second stage of the Starship system. It provides an integrated payload section that can transport passengers and cargo to orbit, planetary destinations, and destinations on Earth. The first stage or booster of our next generation launch system has a total takeoff mass of more than 3 million kilograms and uses supercooled liquid methane and liquid oxygen propellant. The thruster will land on the launch site again on its 6 legs. The Starship payload fairing has a diameter of 9 meters and a height of 18 meters, which is the largest available payload volume among current or developing launchers. This payload can be configured for the crew and cargo. So this was all about the most wonderful innovations of SpaceX. It is understandable that SpaceX is a hub of rockets, and it has unlimited rockets. If you like this video, then do give it a big thumbs up. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.